Listen, remember you're a president for happy now. No matter how people see me and you cuss me, I don't have nothing. If you do
two Mario over here, two Mario over here, but you have to big up Nicki Minaj, but you can't style you man then with it.
No, me never say nothing about the woman. Blame them.
Alright. That's more you tell her, say sorry. Big her up, bro. She over here for you, wanna lie.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Also know the story incomplete. I'm gonna up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, Blamdem is defending Nicki Minaj while Pops YG is defending his homeboy. Listen, I said, because him say I'm not fighting for celebrity and all of these things. I want to know why Nicki is siding with the apps. Blamdem, when she was a fan of Busshead. You don't know the TikTok business, you see me? You know what I mean? So let's hear what the item said to each other live and direct. Because, you know, they went live with each other and it wasn't a good look. You see me? I said, yeah, so let's hear what I'm going for not to go on and proceed on with the next.
Bumbucklad, me come down. Pops, you're a batty boy and a dog. Pops, me never know you're a batty man, bro.
So, me can ask you a question?
No.
At least me have a long tongue and you have a deep throat to blood clot. So,
dog, you're a waste man in a Pops. Pops, you're a real waste man in a bro. You're a waste man, bro. See Nicki Minaj over here, Pops.
Yeah, man, tell Nicki Minaj that me never say nothing bad about him.
Talk to her, she there now. Talk to her, she has you. Look.
Well,
big her up, talk to her, she there now. Tell her, because we want to know say anything.
Him have to come on me live, then me know send it over there.
You know what I have to show, man. Me not lie, bro. You know me not tell her. She always over, you know that to talk. She don't need to come to your life. She can't try to approve something now.
Me not try to approve nothing, because me not jump for people like Uno, bro. So me never say me a celebrity, bro. Me not really, you know?
Celebrity, your blood clot, you're a waste man, you're a cruff. Celebrity, your blood clot. Oh, yeah, use my style, but you're a celebrity.
Yeah,
I can't use your
listen, remember you're a president for happy now. No matter how people see me and you cuss me, I don't have nothing. If you do
two Mario over here, but you have to big up Nicki Minaj, but you can't style you man then with it.
No, me never say nothing about the woman. Blame them.
Alright. That's more you tell her, say sorry. Big her up, bro. She over here for you, wanna lie.
When Nicki Minaj come on me live, me big him up. Me don't tell her already me not say nothing about the woman. So why me I go say something about the woman?
She here then.
Cause all me see Nicki Minaj grown, go do.
Oh, see Maurice, you want, I give you one.
No, bro. All me see Nicki Minaj grown, go do a support people on TikTok and try to help people.
That's
then they start bring him down. So me not play hypocrite and be like Uno. So when me I go want give for? Have I ever text Nicki Minaj and tell say me I beg him nothing? Yesterday Gotti at this Nicki Minaj. When Gotti at this Nicki Minaj, I make sure I say Gotti don't this woman. Go and go watch his screen record. And me hide my face.
That's true. Yeah, let me tell you, human, if you send Gotti some money, and show human not do it, Gotti Bex under this human, Gotti too hungry belly, Gotti a little dirty thinking deport, he go work, batty boy. See people must be true, wanna lie, Pops. Big up yourself, Pops. We love that. Don't this human, cause look at Pops.
Gotti, me tell Gotti said don't this woman.
Gotti human money.
28 rows my team.
Gotti Bex say human money, Gotti love sweets, man, we playing and batty.
Jump Gonzal, big up your bumbo class.
Let me share something, Pops. You see Gotti now, Gotti I want to look dirty deported boy, but what this? Yo, listen, busted that young, busted that 24-year-old. And Gotti about 60-year-old, and they run up back a young youth. Gotti a cruff, batty boy. Big man lucky I run back a little man busted. Busted that 23-year-old, like a big grey back man. Big thinking deported boy with the America for over 10 years. And get deported and now not more Jamaica, batty boy. So where the America how long I do? In batty boy Gotti.
When you shoot for the 3 times.
Where the America do? In batty boy Gotti. Yeah, the America how much here and now nothing batty boy got suck. Here, I get deport. And I get here live. Big thinking what this deport the batty boy. Yeah, the America how much here, you get deport, you reach a Jamaica, you know nothing. How you go America for? Go fuck batty. Go suck your mother Gotti. You pray people for their money like you get nothing for prolong. Dirty deported boy. Suck your mother. If Jaden I give you. Batman I give you. Batman I send a gift.
Me no Fabi.
Batman I give you. Yeah, Batman, Pops.
No, I know Jaden.
Then I who then?
Yeah, he say I want a fan page. I know Jaden.
Then you have to take your gift same way.
I know him man. Oh, clout our next cocky that they pan, you know.
But look at you along out your tongue pan life, man. Look at you. Look pan you along out your tongue. Watch your people, look pan him, look there. Along out at ya. Look pan him, people. Yeah, tell me say this a boy in a batty man. Look pan him, people. Yeah, batty boy, I got suck your mother. Pops got suck your mother, yeah, batty man, man, I fuck you. Dog, I got alone if you come here and tell me say I'm a batty man. Yeah, waste man, along out your tongue for man. Watch him, people, watch him. Look how him doing lip. Let's watch ya. All in sitting here. Yeah, waste man, bro. Yeah, disgrace to Jamaica society. Yeah, real waste man, no pops.
So, Blamdem.
Yeah?
So, wait there. Who send me this Nicki Minaj? Cause me no
No,
want
can't you see live with Gotti? I say I ain't got it there for life.
Oh, Nicki Minaj over there. So
Nicki Minaj name say so.
Yeah,
Me see there for live with Gotti. But if you never do it, then you're good, you see me?
I see people them say Nicki Minaj turn on in live and diss me.
No, I lie them I tell. Not no go so. I got the Nicki Minaj address.
I could blood clot me. Oh, cause me a madman. I could me, I don't know. Say me not go up on live, we go chat people.
If I know you good man, I lie I tell that you want attention. Nobody knows this over there.
So now you come on me live and tell me say, wait, so what y'all say now, Blamdem?
You man nah this bro. You got the human I say you don't call in him. Just that but you know better than that, say got your waste man. You should even there so with got it, with got it. Cause where they got your
Nicki Minaj, me say over there, me send out a message to you, Miss Nicki Minaj. Miss. Me never send nothing about you. Look for me, Nicki Minaj. And me say me in a their hometown. And me a madman in a real life. Me no come on internet with mix up. Big up yourself, Nicki Minaj. I never say nothing about you. Cause me no wanna do me nothing. I don't wanna do me nothing cause me no give problem. Me right, Blamdem or me wrong?
You're right.
Yeah, cause me I eat that in real life.
You yourself, Pops, cause see over your life, then seeing visit today.
Well, Miss Nicki Minaj, you know if you send me no gift, you know. Cause me no stand like them, but me and tell you say.
Say,
Me
no
no
say happy, you know happy, say you don't want no gift.
You see when Gotti had this your baby, listen, let me talk to him, cause I'm gonna take piece off of Nicki. Nicki.
Talk, no respect, you see man have you.
Hold on. Well, as when Nicki would have said the Barbs, well, Barbs, I never said nothing about you, honey. When Gotti had this, me tell Gotti say fi stop it. And me make sure I hide my face. And me no want nobody do me nothing. Cause all me see do Nicki Minaj help people. And then them turn around and diss you.
Yeah, everybody where human help this human. Everybody.
Yeah.
Then can't even this human attack them attack. Cause the human not feel no way about them when they chat.
Yeah, so me not really understand what them a say about you are. Me not really, you know what I mean by cause me not really do a live thing like them. So me not come on live, come chat people and me not involved in a mix up. See the Barbs all I give me See Barbs all I give me so me make sure I tell the Barbs. Oh, me got it toppy. I like blood.
Yeah, boy, I got your batty boy, man. Me tell you, say my waist man.
Me never see my fuck no man. Probably in try to fuck you, me can't say my body man.
My waist man.
Probably in try after you.
I'm Busshead the fuck they wanted that. And you. Me say I ain't got in a Busshead room, you know.
Blamdem,
I ain't got in a Busshead room in a batty
hold
boy.
on. Blamdem. Nicki Minaj want make me even turn on Busshead live because me did a one a Busshead friend and me and him did have one big war on TikTok, but I did my friend. So me did African funeral. And see that him bury and rest in peace. Cause me go there with the whole heap of belly them go. Then I tell you that Blamdem, you know you about that Blamdem.
Me see you throw belly up on the casket, man. Me see it, man. I got it as a throw spit within thinking dirty mouth. I did talk, him attack.
Dog never did that do them fuck there, brother. Top. My side, everybody follow me, please. But me not like how they try set me up though. Cause you see them scream recording people and me not like it. And me know say I wanna go over there go tell Blamdem about me at this Nicki Minaj, brother. Me not like them fuckery there, dog. I tell you no, cause me not frightened like a blood clot, you know.
Any boy this, Nicki Minaj.
72 hours.
Yo, paper, drop a gloves. Paper, don't make me lose me nuggets. Somebody drop a gloves, paper. Somebody drop a gloves. Shoot, pan the gloves. Don't make me lose me nuggets, paper. Shoot. Shoot. Shoot, paper. Blood clot. Shoot. Shoot, paper. Shoot. Shoot, pan the gloves. Blood clot, me get a lion. Shoot, pan the gloves. Nicki Minaj, big up the lion. Shoot, paper. One Nicki. Paper, shoot. Shoot, paper. One Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki Blamdem. Shoot, paper. Snipe. Snipe.
Bumbo clap, Blamdem, a win dog.
Me win dog, me never want to lose me nuggets.
But Blamdem,
Eh?
you have to tell Nicki Minaj, or in Ghana, you have to tell him, say,
Nicki Minaj all
if you
this there,
want
man.
to come to Jamaica and I saw them bad mind down here or something, no matter how you try to fail people and bring you down, you have to make you know.
She know already, man. She know, but she love them same way.
You have to tell him, say, no matter how you try to fail people at Jamaica, still junker them.
Eh.
You have to tell him. Anytime you try to fail people and try to bring you down.
Nicki Minaj love Jamaican people, you know, bro. All the human do a support with. All them do a bring down the human. So you hear Nicki Minaj say, not all of them. She said not all of them. Some of them are good. She said not all Jamaican.
But you have to tell it, woman, Nicki Minaj, welcome to Jamaica. So you want to involve in Jamaica, them are going to done out your pussy clot down your baby.
She knows that some of them love her, man. She knows that not all of them bad, man.
RT Boss, you know see RT Boss pan him, eh?
RT Boss a waste, man. I couldn't give me a program pan him. Over his scheme, me dog him bust out here over there. And no, me know say I saw him and turn up, me da make him and him bust out here. Over his scheme. And no, me know. After 1 year when he cool off and he feel like saying good, I mean, get back a program like that. And bust him blood clot. I must take me a good somebody. Right? The amount of time them boy they wish that for me. Boy, you lucky 7 days in a prayer then time they real me. When the man them call me and say they over his scheme. Batty boy Archie. Just know say you get your saves. I go and follow me up, Batty boy.
The bar.
Yeah, to me know nothing about him. You know, so the killer them come back.
The Barbs go send me one plane. Yeah man, the Barbs go, we have to big up the Barbs. Yeah man, car. Uno no bad mind, me no do me no involve. Blamdem me involve.
They're not involved in nothing. But let me tell you what they are. So anybody where they see Nicki Minaj support, then get bad mind and try to do them something to them bad mind.
Guys, no, they can't do me nothing, Blamdem. Cause everybody
know that. Them like how they can't do me nothing. Right now, I got to stop the food for Busshead family. And Nicki Minaj go to still go give them same way.
But me don't know me.
Let me tell you, say got the Busshead family, you know, say got the high crosses. Where they run the people for around. Oh.
The blood clot. Land, me no want nothing to me. Psalms 100, well on.
Batty boy, you think you're clown up because the name out of mother Batty boy. You read that Psalms in your mother Batty boy.
I pray.
You need to read Psalms, so Batty boy, I hurry up move off from my life. Go ahead.
I pray one Psalms in me, Psalms 100, brother.
I need to read the Psalms, because suck your mama, because I don't want to pray for you.
Come
Because suck your mother, I hurry up make you match son. Because suck your mother, I don't want you here. You think you can style the Batty boy. Suck your mother. You think you're smart?
What me I do?
Read that Psalms to your Batty man, if T. Marie come back. Go read that Psalms to T. Marie.
Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Bumbo clotty don't scare.
Jamal Gaiman party, Jamal teacher go.
Yo, what me I say?
Jamal got funeral, don't.
At this Busshead we got funeral. See it, got blood class Sicily party. You believe me?
Me know, I saw Batty boy Ramesh stand. Ramesh use the youth, and when the youth dead, he not go support. You go suck your mama Ramesh. You look a dirty Batty man. Ramesh, you a waste man. You use the youth for free at town, and you know, can't youth on a party. You know, got youth funeral. Batty boy Ramesh. You not for send money for bury youth. Ramesh can suck your mother.
A true man, a true.
Ramesh, I want Batty boy.
So I'm to rebel. Cause I see Busshead up at them party.
Jamal guy party. Jamal and Briscoe guy funeral.
Yeah, man, then guy. So I'm to rebel.
Paper, Jamal and Briscoe guy funeral. No top comment man name. Jamal go.
Yeah, man, Jamal and Briscoe go.
Jamal
So
and
what?
Briscoe their funeral. Me hear from good source.
I'm buck to a crash off a bike in could. You know you want to blame them.
Me hear about him, man. A
My
RT
dead.
boss. A RT boss. Hope I went go buy. Wall him down. A fuck him.
I dead if he dead. So you want me to say still. So I'm to rebel.
Rebel and blood clot shit in a plate. Dirty bitch. Rebel think and sell crutches like dog. Paper, Jamal go a Busshead funeral. Jamal and Briscoe then go. Jamal and Briscoe go, but you know no man can't put no camera upon Dunceman, cause Dunceman fully dunce. So no boy can't put no camera upon the dog. But Jamal go.
So blame them. Sitting there go.
Oh, footer.
Yeah.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, me, I still big up Nicki Minaj, you know, because you know she posted me in her IG story one time. Yeah, really recognized. And but I don't see her no problem chilling with nobody in TikTok. Yeah, because man no watch woman. And people not supposed to watch what people do with their money and them time. It's massive. Yeah, so we're not going to end this long with this no longer. We're going to end it now, obviously. We have more bagger to drop this in. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we do drop the latest. Bless.